Have you ever wondered how professional photographers capture stunning images with the perfect amount of motion blur or freeze frame action? Well, today, we're going to learn all about shutter speed in just 1 minute. Shutter speed refers to the amount of time the camera's shutter is open when taking a photo. A fast shutter speed, like 1000s, freezes motion, while a slow shutter speed, like 130s, creates motion blur. To adjust your camera's shutter speed, simply switch to manual mode and turn the dial until you reach your desired setting. Remember, the faster the shutter speed, the less light enters the camera, so you may need to adjust your ISO or aperture accordingly. If you're shooting a fast-moving subject like a sports car or a bird in flight, opt for a fast shutter speed to capture the action crisply. On the other hand, for creative effects like light trails or silky waterfalls, try experimenting with a slower shutter speed to capture movement over time. And there you have it, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.